Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn on how to delete your OneDrive files. It's an easy and simple process, so make sure to watch this video till the end without skipping. First, we will learn how to delete OneDrive files using web browser, then we will learn how to do it from the desktop. So let's get started. First, open your OneDrive account on your web browser. Then locate to the file that you want to delete. For example, let's say I want to delete this file. To do so, simply tap on it. Then at the very top, right after the download button, there will be this icon with 3 dots. Tap on it. Then tap on delete. And guys, there you have it. We have successfully deleted a file from our OneDrive. You can also delete the file by pressing on this 3 dot icon, which will appear when you hover your mouse over the file. Then here is the delete button to delete this file. Now let's learn how to delete the file from your desktop. To do so, open the File Explorer. Then go to your OneDrive folder. Let's say I want to delete this file from the OneDrive. To do so, simply tap on the delete button. Then this window will pop up asking you whether you want to delete this from a PC only or you want to delete from a OneDrive as well. To delete it from OneDrive, simply tap on Got It. Now let's reload our web browser. And guys, there you have it. We have successfully deleted a file of OneDrive from our PC as well. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give this video a thumbs up to let me know and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries or questions in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you. Thanks for watching and see you in next video.